Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you part 4 of my ECE 5000 project here, and this part will be basically focusing on testing. So my project here is an Arduino based room light intensity, temperature, humidity and load current using Excel data streamer. Note that this is a bit of a change from part 3 of my uh, project here since I was initially supposed to use stream sheets, but now I've uh, decided to go with Excel data streamer instead. Uh, there's a few updates from my part uh, from the part 3 actually, since I've added my current sensor as promised, and also added my light bulb from a current load, and also soldered in all my circuit components. Okay, so I'll just try to show you the circuit which I've built here. Uh, just a few improvements from my previous uh, part was just I've managed to solder in all my circuit components. So my circuit really has three main parts. So for the temperature and humidity, I have my DHT11 sensor right here. And my DHT11 sensor is just basically connected here to the number 2 digital pin of my Arduino board, and the two other pins are going into the ground and 5 volt here. For my current sensor over here, which is my ACS 712, I have connected it to my light bulb here, which will be my load current. And for the power supply for my light bulb, I have this 12-volt AC adapter, which I'll be connecting into my home power socket. And finally is my light intensity measurement, and that will be with the use of this photoresistors right here. And I have also added a load resistor, which I showed in my previous video, and this one is going into port number A4 of the analog pin here in my Arduino board. My current sensor is going into port A0 of my analog board, and I'm not showing it here, but my Arduino will be connected by the USB type C cable right directly to my laptop. And another update is I just got a bigger box for my whole project, since I basically have more circuit components now, and just for everything to fit in better. So now I'm gonna get into the main part of my video here, which will be showing you my code and finally running it and showing you my test results. So not there hasn't been much of a change in from my previous part of the project. There's just one thing, and that is my since due to the addition of the current sensor, I have changed my code, which replaced for the shunt resistor which I had previously. So since my current sensor is connected to pin number A5, I have declared a variable here and adjusted a variable for the sensitivity for my CS712 sensor, which is typically about 100 millivolt per amps, and at the end I am trying to convert it using my sensitivity and my sensor voltage and displaying the result in the end. So I have my circuit right here with me, and we'll try and test this thing together. Mm, Just gonna connect my Arduino to my laptop first. Okay, so looks all good. Verify my sketch and upload it. Alright. I have my DHT11 sensor here, my light bulb here. I'm not showing it right now, and my whole sensor here. Okay, so let's open up the serial monitor which I have and see what the values are. So at first glance, it looks like my current for my light bulb is showing a pretty decent and steady value of like about 13.7, 13.76 here again, 13.6 here again, and my temperature is also pretty solid. Temperature and humidity is pretty solid at 59 and 22. I'll try to change my humidity here and see if it works. Okay, so I'm basically just blowing into my humidity sensor. And yeah, it looks good. My humidity just reached to about 78%. Uh, so have a look at my light dependent resistor value for my light intensity 2, and that shows about a voltage of 3.24. Let's see if my voltage decreases if I put my hand into my on top of the photoresistor. Yeah, it's now decreased to 1.35, 1.52 since it's in a dark place. If, if I'm trying to increase the light and put my light bulb in front of it, the voltage is now up to almost 5. Okay, so for the final part of my video here, I'll be showing you my data which I generated from Arduino into my Excel data streaming here. So while I was showing you all my Arduino, which was running and testing all the data from the serial monitor, kept on uh, feeding into my Excel data streaming here, and that was all through the COM stream USB service serial device here. And as you can see, throughout throughout my testing, all my values for the humidity, temperature, current, and light intensity kept on flowing in to my streamer here, and they all came into the beautifully into this spreadsheet. Uh, After that, just for an example, I made a few tables, which I'll show you here, in order to better visualize my data. So I could have chosen to do like histogram or anything, but I chose to do line graphs here to show my data. And as you can see, the humidity over here was almost 60%, and this really shows the point where I tested and plugged into my humidity DH11 sensor, which shows the spike here. The temperature was overall the same, just at the end it uh, it increased a bit due to my light bulb, and the current for the current here, it's overall pretty much the same with stable values. The graph does show a bit of variance, but this is very little for just like half milliamperes. So as you can see, it's pretty solid and steady value of about 13.8 milliamps, which will work from experiment here. And at the end, for the light intensity, the voltage value for my photoresistor was pretty much uh, steady for throughout the testing part, and this drop over here shows the time where I covered the photoresistor with my finger, which shows the voltage drop. And again, when I put the light bulb and increase the light intensity, which also which furthermore or hence increased my uh, voltage value for my photoresistor. It then stabilizes and goes back to normal resting or the normal brightness voltage. Yeah, so that's how I basically implemented my uh, recorded values from Arduino into my spreadsheet or GUI, and yeah, this is just the way I my system will work in the future.